Want to restore the color and beauty of your pavers? Do you have missing or damaged pavers that are hiding an even greater problem lurking under the surface? You're in luck. AAA Paver Sealing can help. At AAA Paver Sealing, brick paver restoration and repair is our business, and we've been doing it for 15 years. We specialize in bringing back the color and beauty of your pavers, no matter how old or damaged they are. Our team of Oviedo Paver restoration experts is committed to restoring your pavers to their original condition, making them look like new again. At AAA Paver Sealing, we offer brick paver restoration and repair services to help you keep your pavers looking like new for years to come. Our team of experts will evaluate the condition of your walkway or patio and give you an estimate of how much it would cost for us to repair any issues that need to be addressed. We make sure to only quote the best price for you without breaking the bank. We also offer paving stone restoration services if needed, as well as paving stone cleaning services if needed too. Protect the investment you've already made to improve the look of your home or business by letting the best brick patio repair company fix your brick walkway or driveway. If you're looking for an expert who can take care of all of these restorations and repairs without disrupting your life, contact us today at 407-392-0888 or check out our website at www.aaapaversealing.com/brick-paver-restoration-and-repair-oviedo-fl. We will make your pavers look like new.